Selecting a Vortex mixer for your laboratory involves considering the brand's reputation, which can significantly influence the quality and reliability of the product. Several brands stand out in the market due to their excellent reviews and positive feedback from users. Let's take a look at some of the top brands. Thermoscientific is renowned for its robust and versatile Vortex mixers. With a wide range of models catering to various laboratory needs, Thermoscientific is a trusted name in scientific equipment. Eppendorf offers high-quality Vortex mixers designed for precision and durability. Their mixers are known for their user-friendly interfaces and advanced features, making them popular among researchers. IKEA Works is recognized for its innovative and reliable Vortex mixers. The company's commitment to technology and engineering excellence ensures that their products meet the highest standards of performance. VWR provides a comprehensive selection of Vortex mixers that cater to a broad spectrum of applications. Known for their robust construction and ease of use, VWR mixers are favored by many laboratories. Biosin offers compact and efficient Vortex mixers suitable for small-scale and routine mixing tasks. Their products are praised for their affordability and dependability, making them a popular choice for budget-conscious labs. Anshan, Guangdong, Chinoffer producing cost-effective Vortex mixers without compromising on quality. Their mixers are highly regarded for their durability and ease of maintenance. When evaluating Vortex mixers, consider factors such as the brand's reputation, customer support, warranty coverage, and additional features offered. Reading reviews and seeking recommendations from peers can also be invaluable in making an informed decision. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.